Audio Jungle.
So, have you ever wondered why title insurance is so damn expensive? I mean, seriously, have you ever heard of a claim being paid? I know they do, but have you heard of one?
Yeah, Brian, I've heard of one.
Exactly. You might have heard of one. Because let's face it, the job of any insurance company is to try to find a way to not pay out. And in the case of title insurance, let's put it this way. When you're buying a house that was built in 1985 and has changed hands every 5 years and has title insurance each and every time the deed transfers, how hard is the search to figure out what went wrong? You know, the truth of the matter is it's very easy and very little can go wrong. And title people out there, don't tell me about that one time your company actually paid out a claim, because if they paid out one time, then your premiums should be in the hundreds, not the thousands. Now, sure, back in the day, like last century BC, that being before computers, title would keep you from buying a property from a crook who didn't own the land and would be long gone with your cash before the crime was brought to light. And those searches would have been time-consuming and expensive. But then we got computers, and everything went like all automated and shit. But these companies are still charging a king's ransom. Now think about it, that house that was bought in 1980 and has changed hands every 5 years, title insurance about $1,400 per transfer, that house would have generated over $16,000 in revenues for that title company, and most every penny of it is profit. Quote, in an article from Forbes, they state, First American has doubled its prices in a decade to an average charge of $1,472 per home for a title search and insurance. Meanwhile, thanks to computerized record keeping, the cost of a search for a home's ownership records online has fallen to a low of $25. Technology also has helped make mistakes rare. Now only 74 bucks of each policy goes to pay claim. That is, make homebuyers with defective deeds whole. That leaves, get this boys and girls, 1,373 bucks for overhead and for profits.
I'm rich, bitch!
You think lenders and real estate agents are making money in this industry? That's a bunch of shit. It's a title people who are killing everybody. Okay, so 25 bucks. That's the cost for a search. $74 to pay policy claim. 1,373 bucks in profits.
I'm rich, bitch!
So title people, don't say you pay out because you don't. If your policy claims make up 74 bucks of a $1,400 policy, you need to lower your prices. Or you have to have new companies come in and create competition. That'd be a good idea. Well, they can't do it. The reason is the business has been bought and paid for. Like, literally. Stewart, Old Republic, First American, and Fidelity have cornered the market. See, in years past when title companies could, they literally bought the business, not leaving room for new recruits to come in and compete. Oops. One more quote! Regulators in Washington State just revealed that First American spent $120,000 a month courting real estate agents with season tickets to the University of Washington football games, tickets for Seattle Supersonics basketball games, we're dating ourselves now, shopping sprees, and other goodies. The state report says the firm was the worst offender and committed more than 100 violations per month in 18 months. It adds, First American offers a prime example of how illegal inducements can help a company attain superior marketing share. Yeah, no shit, but it wasn't illegal. And I gotta tell you, those were the days. God, I loved them. It's just good, smart business. Good, smart, fun, crazy times business. But enough reflection, guys. Those days, they're gone. They're over. Title companies now, they can't do shit to hold on to their market share. No more limos, no more booze trains, no more season tickets, day spas, all that fun stuff out the window. I mean, regulators have put their foot so far up the ass of title companies, they don't know what to do. But did you notice they didn't lower their fees? Shh. They're just keeping that overhead and making even more money. I mean billions right now. Haha, you already know this story. But the question really becomes, what have title and escrow companies done to keep their market share of this golden goose cash cow industry? Because you know, they've done something, but you have to stay tuned for part 2 to see what it is. And realtors, oh man, you're just gonna love this.